Hello everyone, it's Cribini and Tina.
Hola.
Welcome to the channel. Hope everybody just having a beautiful day and that your day is going great and that you're in the best of health.
Yes, with health, as always, being most important.
So today's video, me and Tina are talking about all the places that we had a chance to go, not just as YouTubers, but just as couple, husband and wife, and just see the world.
He's got more in his talent.
So, y'all got more on my talent than she got on hers, but doesn't matter. Travel is travel. But you know what? I'm impressed all the places that me and you've been together.
Yeah.
Okay? Our first place I went with her overseas was Puerto Rico.
Yes. Home to see my family and it was actually a trip with all my family. Yeah.
And I think the name of the town, I think we stayed in a
Humacao?
Airbnb.
No, we stayed on a golf resort, remember?
Yeah, it was beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful down by the water. It was just so tranquil. I'll never forget that trip, long as I live.
Yeah, it was a vacation like what do they call those, timeshare that my aunt was into. Yeah. And then we went to Ponce and we hung out in the beach, and yeah, we did lots of Puerto Rico was awesome.
Beautiful place.
The first time that we went.
Yeah, the first time.
We've been there
we went. We've been there so many times. I got videos I still ain't put up yet of Puerto Rico. It's just a beautiful tropical island, and like we said in some of our other videos, we was going to go there first. But like I said, once those hurricanes started hitting, and Hurricane Maria in 2017, we thought maybe, you know what, we need to do something else. So then our second place I believe that we've been to is here.
Cancun was next.
Oh, Cancun. You know, I forgot all about Cancun. I forgot all about Mexico.
How could you forget? The Cancun trip was amazing.
Oh,
you guys that have been to
God,
Cancun know we went to an all-exclusive and inclusive, I should say, and it was amazing. Like we went VIP all the way. Remember, we had a private villa, and it was only $2 per building, and private pool and cabanas, and our little butler, and it was awesome. So Cancun, Mexico, that was amazing. That was our next out of the country. That was our next
one. Yeah, that really was. Sorry, I forgot all about that one. It was so beautiful. Just blew my mind.
Yep.
I'll never forget Cancun. I'll never forget that. I will never forget it again. Sorry. Okay, so
I want to do Mexico again, you guys, but I don't want to do Cancun. Where should I go? Drop some suggestions down if you guys have been.
And we end up back in Mexico.
I like Mexico. I like visiting Mexico.
It's a beautiful place. The beaches are beautiful, just beautiful. And then, what?
I came here without you.
No, you came here without
and
me.
then I came with you.
With us, right. So, Dominican Republic, which where we are right now.
Yes, and then we came back we did a couples trip, and we came with a couple friends of ours. Husband and wife, and so we did that trip also. That was my third, your second trip to the DR, and then your fourth was your final when you were moving.
Right. And then our other trip we went on was Germany. Yes.
So once we got settled here, for those of you that watched on our old video, we weren't even here, not even a full month.
Not even a full month. I think it was just a couple of weeks. So
yeah, it was like maybe 2.5 weeks. We found the vet to take care of Milo, and we spent, what was it, 3.5 weeks? 3 weeks?
We spent
3 weeks in Germany.
I lost.
Four different cities.
I forgot. I mean, it was just such an awesome time for us to go together. And that's the furthest trip we've ever been to together so far.
So far. Yes.
So, we had to travel over the Atlantic Ocean. And
what cities did we go to?
We went to Dresden. Actually, we flew into Berlin first.
Right.
And then we flew into Berlin. Then we went to Dresden.
Nuremberg.
Then we went to Nuremberg.
We left out of Munich, though, right?
No, I think we flew out of Munich. Yeah, we left out of Munich.
Yeah, we flew into Berlin,
right,
but we flew out of Munich.
So we got a chance to see all those cities and all of the...
It was bus and plane. It was nice. It was nice. It was all, that was through Gate 1 Travel. If you guys have ever booked anything through there, you can take tours and everything's included, and that was awesome. Because we got a lot of history, and we got a lot of tour time, and we got to cut lines because of the, it's a package thing that you're with that tour, and the bus was amazing. It was so comfortable.
Yes, it was really
it was
nice.
snowing a little while we were out there, and I never was cold. That bus was nice and toasty and clean, and they were awesome. Gate 1 Travel, look into it. They have good discounts.
We got a sweet deal because it was off season, so but other than that,
it's beautiful though in Germany at that time.
It's beautiful. The water, we had the river was beautiful. The restaurants were good. That's before COVID came and slammed us.
Yeah.
So
that was his birthday
a good old
gift,
day.
like over a year ago, year and a half, too.
And we met some awesome people also that are still following the channel that met us actually on the tour.
Yes. It was a lot of fun.
Food was great. We did not get sick or anything. We just had a wonderful time. Now, my places that I've been, a lot of those places are from the military. Okay, and I had 2 tours in Germany. Okay, Nuremberg, Bamberg, Stuttgart, places like that. It's just awesome places. I got a chance to visit a place called Berchtesgaden, which is not too far from the Schwäbisch Alps. And they had this little attraction, but it was like a little, it was like a little gold mine roller coaster, but it really wasn't a roller coaster. It was just a little trolley that goes underneath the ground, and you can really see where the miners, used to mine. And some of them still do.
Oh, that's
so
cool.
It's just a lot of history stuff
that's cool.
I got a chance to do. And some of you know when I mentioned Berchtesgaden, some of you guys know where that's at. And
you've been to that Black Forest too, right?
I've been to the Black Forest where they make the original grandfather clocks, cuckoo clocks, and all those kind of things.
I thought that was fascinating.
And you also in the Black Forest they also make those shrunks. We call them shrunks. Somebody might ask, what is a shrunk? But that's what the Germans call it. But what it is just a divider, and it's like 4 to 5 different pieces. You put it all together, and you have like a whole wall unit, and it lights up and everything. It's like a bookshelf, and we call it shrunk. So we kind of got rid of it, when we traveled because it was just too big and bulky. It was just done, so we left it and did something else. So, and also, I had a chance also to spend a year in Korea. And I learned the difference between bulgogi and bulgogi, okay? Because they're different between beef and dog.
You're gross.
So spend a year there.
All I know is bulgogi is what I ate in Vegas, and that wasn't no dog. That was beef.
Right. so you guys,
you're gross.
So
and then you were in Egypt too, as well, right?
I went to Egypt for a short tour, and the most best thing what I got from that experience was it's amazing how the Egyptian people know how to make a tent. They build tents like the Dominicans and Haitians put up buildings here in this country, but it's a tent. It's not a house. It's a tent. And I mean, it'll go through windstorms and whatever.
Well, they're used to the sandstorms.
They're used to the sandstorms.
I can see
and
that.
they make them tents, I'm telling you. And not only that, but also the cologne. They got some of the coolest cologne over there, whether male and female, and you can just put a little drop on your finger, and it'll keep you scented for 2 or 3 days. That's how strong it is. So, and that's the main 2 things I remember out of that trip, other than the time that I actually landed there. It was all desert, and it was crazy. It freaked me out a little bit, but other than that, it was just a good trip. And then we got a chance to go to. Let me see. I think that's it. I think that was it.
That's all your military? I thought you went somewhere else. But drop in the comments where you guys have been. We just met someone who spent some time in Africa. I think, what did he say?
Tangier.
Okay.
Tangier.
Okay. Africa.
That's Africa.
And then, we have some people who have moved to Spain. We have people that are moving to Panama. So drop in the comments either where you've been or where you'd like to go. That'd be very interesting to find out. Maybe somebody's already been there and can give you some hints.
Well, in this channel, in this YouTube business, people reach out from
all over
God's green earth. When I say, I'm talking about Tokyo, Thailand, Alaska, Canada, I mean, all over the place.
Yeah, that's what the passport's for, right? If not,
Yeah,
to
utilize
get
it.
stamps.
Right, get some stamps. Stamp.
No use to have an empty passport.
Absolutely. So we just wanted to let you guys know our travel. This is just the beginning. We got a lot more places that we're going to go, and we're going to take you guys with us.
Yes.
You hang around long enough.
Come along.
So enjoy the show, put your seatbelt on, and enjoy some good travels, some good food, some good educational stuff.
Once this COVID crazy.
Once this COVID gives us a break. I mean, it's just
once the
crazy.
vaccine starts.
But so far, we noticed you guys are enjoying our videos and everything we're doing here in the Dominican Republic. So continue to enjoy.
And continue to hit subscribe, and thank you to all of our new subscribers. And my best advice that I always give to everyone is to go back through the catalog, and I mean catalog, of videos upon videos upon videos on life in the Dominican Republic. How to get things done, what is best, apartments, banks. We have pretty much covered almost everything, and there will be a video somewhere in that vault for you.
Right. So if you don't get the information, that's on you.
You can get a consult. You can always, pay through buymeacoffee.com/Caribbean.
There you go.
And have a one-on-one consult.
There you go. We are here for you.
Yes. Phone, video, or in person.
So, in the meantime, between time, always remember, life is meant to be enjoyed.
Yes. And as always, continue to hit that subscribe. Give this and all videos a thumbs up. Hitting subscribe and giving it a thumbs up is the free and easy way you can patron the channel. Make sure to hit notifications so you can get notified for that vault of videos when they release out. You can be first. And as always, every 2 weeks, we have a live on Saturday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time where we do Q&A, meaning you got questions, we got answers. And we keep you up to date on what's happening in the Dominican Republic in case you're deciding or going to be traveling out here.
Right. So, till next video, peace.